How are you doing? Welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix your volume increasing or decreasing automatically on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. It's a frustrating issue, but this should be a pretty straightforward process to resolve, so let's jump right into it. Start by opening the search menu, click the magnifying glass on your taskbar and type Control Panel. When it comes up as the best match, go ahead and open it. Once it's up, switch the view by option into the top right to large icons. Scroll down a bit, find the sound, and click it in the sound window. Make sure that playback tab is selected. If not, click it. Now pick your speaker or output device from the list highlighted and hit the Properties button. In the Properties window, switch to the Enhancements tab. Look for the option that says Disable All Enhancements. Make sure that box is checked. This stops any automatic tweaks to your audio. Hit Apply, then OK, and test your volume to see if that's fixed. While you are here, flip over to the Communication tabs too, where it says, when Windows detect communication activity, select Do Nothing from the drop-down, click Apply and OK again. Still having trouble? Close the windows and head back to the search menu. This time type Troubleshoot. When Troubleshoot settings pops up at the best match, open it. On the right side, look under Options and click Other Troubleshooters. Scroll down to the most frequent section, find the Playing Audio Troubleshooter, and hit the Run button next to it. A window will pop up. Just follow to on-screen prompts. It will scan for issues and might suggest fixes, like tweaking settings or pointing you to Microsoft support page or forums. Let it guide you through and see if that nails it. That's it, folks. You have turned off enhancements, stopped communication interference, and run a troubleshooter. Pretty simple steps to get your volume steady. If this sorted out your issue, smack that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more helpful tips.